Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com, and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for a pie, I've got the oven heating up to 200 C, which is 400 F. I've got a 24 centimeter, so 9-inch springform pan that I've just got a piece of baking paper, wet it, crumpled it, lined, used that to line. And then I've just covered the base with 100 grams, so 3.5 ounces of almond meal. And then for our filling, I've got 6 eggs in here, 100 grams, so 3.5 ounces of cream, a bunch of chopped chives, and then 100 grams, another 3.5 ounces of grated cheese. I'm using they call it tasty cheese in Australia, but it's like, just kind of whatever regular cheese you've got. A cheddar would be really lovely. Gruyere, whatever cheese, even Parmesan would be nice, just to give it some cheesy flavor. So just give that a bit of mix. Give it a big pinch of salt. It's salty. And then I've got about 150 grams, about 5 ounces of bacon that I've just softened. So I'm going to put about half of, soften the bacon, brown the bacon, put about half of that in. Give it a good stir. Get that in the base. And then I'm going to just spread that out. And then I'm just going to pop the rest of the bacon on the top. And I'm putting the bacon fat in. You may not like to do that if you're not such a big I like things really rich. It's not good not to waste it. And just spread the bacon out so it looks pretty. And then we're going to bake it in the oven. Great, so the pie's been in the oven for 20 minutes. You can see it's all puffed up and it's gone nice and golden brown around the edges. So we're just going to get that out and let it cool down a little bit and then serve with a green salad. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.